just call me. Okay? Call me. If you want.
Cannot be.
Cannot be? Nope.
I do. Ini.
What?
Ini. Latin.
You have nothing?
I do to everything. I forget everything. But I can speak everything.
Can you speak
Things.
Arabian?
Ano?
You can speak
No.
Spanish? You can speak?
Do. Latin.
No. Japanese? You can speak?
Latin din.
European?
Go out.
Okay. I have to
Which
go.
one?
Goodbye.
Simple.
I will turn off the light.
Yes.
Okay. I will turn off the light in 3, 2, 1.
3.
2, 1.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
You can go.
Bye-bye po. So, can we go home na?
Yes, you can go.
Okay, thank you.
What is that?
Thank you.
What is that?
Goodbye.
Yes, you can go now.
Okay. You can go lie in your bed.
Yes.
Go. Show me how you lay on your bed.
Mm,
Oh, very good.
I can.
You can do it alone.
Yeah, but I cannot go outside.
Why?
And nobody can akay me.
Okay.
Nobody can akay.
Nobody can akay. You're go.
If we nice here, I can. She don't like. Sometimes she don't like. Because dabayo ko din.
Who?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I'm alone.
You're alone.
Sabi ako dito nakalman.
You're not speaking Tagalog.
Ay, wala. Kalakad na.
Are you Filipino or American?
Hindi. Both of them.
You're a Banabahin.
Huh?
Banabahin.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Oh, waiting. Oh.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Nobody knows.
If nobody's there, I can.
If
You.
okay, when
Not
are you
okay.
going home?
Huh?
When are you going home?
I don't know.
You don't know?
When will you go to school? Ay. Yun o. Kailan lang punta mo pasok ninyo?
What? I don't understand.
Ay, nag-aantay.
I don't understand
Huh?
Tagalog.
She's waiting for you.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Marami ako diyang natututuhan sa ano,